like train coming round the bend. Go on, kinfolk, tell your mom and them. Chugga-lugga, chugga-lugga, chugga-lugga. Ooh, the big black neck coming through to you. Boy, you done fell and bumped your head. That's what they said. People say it's impossible, not probable, too radical. But I already been on the CMAs. Hell, Tim McGraw said he liked the change, said he likes the way my hiccup sounds and the way the crowd screams when I stomp the ground. I'm big and black, clickety-clack, and I make the train jump the track like that.
I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train. You know that I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train. Yeah.
From mic to cassette deep into your ear, my voice is your choice that you wanted to hear. Southern boy making noise with a buffalo roam, less denim and bone, as you might have known. See me riding into town like a desperado with a big belt buckle, the cowboy bravado. All over the World Wide Web, you'll see download CBT on the MP3. Speak clearly what I'm saying so you comprehend. Hit the Hip Hop Radio, tune in. Rolling like thunder onto the scene. It's kind of hard to describe if you know what I mean. I never claimed to be the hardest of the roughest hard rocks, but I'm booming at the box. Skills got you jumping at your socks. From Texas, here I come, moving your body with the bass kick drum.
I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train. You know that I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train. Yeah.
Play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train. I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train.
You know that I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train. You know that I play chicken with the train, play chicken with the train, train. Yeah.
Yeah. One time. Get you some of that.